Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue the chapter Unit 2 Network and Internet. Yes, students, today we will discuss Internet working devices. Means there are so many devices which we are working with Internet and computer network that we will discuss one by one. In this, first of all, a repeater device is there. What is a repeater and where it is used? This I will explain. Repeater is a network device and it is used to amplify, you can see, amplify the signals, digital signals. It is also known as digital regenerator. Digital regenerator means it regenerate the digital signals. For example, there is a long distance cable. We have installed a 100-meter long cable, LAN cable, like from computer lab to a classroom. But if we have installed a 100-meter length long cable, then definitely the signal will be weaker when it will reach to the destination. To amplify the signal, to increase the signal in between, in the mid, you can say, in the middle of the wire of 100-meter, we can install repeater. So that will amplify the signal. So basically the purpose of repeater is to amplify the signal. You can see the diagram, like few computers are here installed and few are here in between. If the distance is more, both of them, then in between repeater can be installed. Next we have hub device, network device. Hub is basically it is used to connect more than one computers together. Means several computers on computer network we can combine, we can join to form a network. A hub comprises several input and output ports, each of which connects to a single cable. As you can see, there are different ports, like first port, first computer is there, second port, second computer is installed, third computer installed, and with fourth port, fourth computer is installed. So this is the example of one hub, and here are 4 ports. In this way, this is smaller hub, very smaller. Some kinds of hub are there are more ports also, like 5 port. It starts from minimum 4 port, 4, then 5, then it multiply to 4, 8 port, 16 port, 32 port, 64, 128, 256 port, like this. So according to the requirement of the network, people buy and install the hub. Next we have bridge. Basically bridge is used to combine 2 different LANs. For example, you have seen downside there are 3 main labs, lab 1, lab 2, and in between AV room lab. Suppose there is a different speed is coming in different labs. So to combine all the 3 labs in the basement, bridge device can be used. So bridge basically is used to combine 2 different LANs, local area network, possibly operating at different speeds, as shown in the diagram. Like this is lab 1, lab 2, and lab 3, and bridge device is here. It is combining these 3 labs or LANs, local area network. If the speed is different in all the labs, then bridge can be installed. If the speed is same, then we need not to install bridge. Without the bridge, or we can use the switch also, switch or hub we can use to combine these LANs. Okay, students, next we have switch device. It is also a network device. Basically switch is used to connect individually nodes in the network, means individual PC, individual computers. When we have to combine all the computers, like 30 computers, 40 computers, then we can combine with the help of switch. As you can see the diagram, first A PC is here, B PC, wire is attached with switch. Here CPC wire is attached with the switch. Similarly, all the PCs wire we can attach with the switch, and it forms a LAN, local area network. Each node within the network is connected to a unique port in the switch as shown in the figure. Every PC's wire is connected with the switch. It is just like the switch is just like hub. Hub is the older version and switch is the latest version. Yes students, next we have a router device. Routers basically it is used to connect different LANs or WANs. Like all the labs and different kind of WAN, when we have to combine, then router device is used as shown in the figure. You can see like switch 1 is, for example, this is lab 1, lab 2, hub is used, lab 3 again different switch is used, again different switch, again in different room different hub or switch is used, and all we can combine with router. A router transmits data from incoming network to another network. A router maintains a routing table. It is maintaining a table inside. Based on the destination address, the router determines to which network the incoming packet should be transmitted. Yes students, next we have gateway device. Gateway, basically this device is used to connect different protocols technologies. Like for example, in one lab we are using different protocol, in lab 2 we are using different protocol of LAN. Then both the protocols, if you want, both the labs if you want to connect with different protocols, then gateway device is used. Data coming from one network operating on the protocol is converted according to the protocol of outgoing network. Whatever the data it receive from one protocol, then it converts according to the protocol of outgoing network. So in another lab, second lab, what second lab which protocol is used in second lab, it converts the data according to that lab and then forwarded. Thus a gateway may be thought of as a router equipped with software for protocol conversion. And next few of the questions I will write these in your notebook.